Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Omar. Today, we're talking about holiday routines. We'll explain what routines are, tell you our own routines, and give you a lot of practice to speak English.
Yes, holiday routines are the things you usually do on your holidays or days off. Some people sleep late, some travel, some relax at home. Everyone has a routine, even on vacation.
Exactly. Let's start with an example. On my holiday, I usually sleep late. I wake up around 10 or 11 a.m., and then I eat breakfast. Sometimes I have eggs, bread, and orange juice.
That sounds nice. I usually wake up early, around 7 a.m., because I love the morning sun. Then I go to a cafe and drink a cappuccino.
After breakfast, I usually go to the beach. I swim, sunbathe, and sometimes play beach games with friends. What about you, Sophia?
After my coffee, I like to write in my journal or read a book. Then I go to museums, galleries, or markets to explore the city. I love learning about local culture.
In the afternoon, I usually walk around the city. I take photos of streets, cafes, and shops. Sometimes I buy souvenirs like magnets or postcards.
I also like walking, but I focus on interesting shops and small local markets. I enjoy looking at handmade things or tasting local food.
At night, I usually meet my friends for dinner. We laugh, talk about our day, and enjoy ourselves. What about your evenings?
In the evening, I sometimes cook dinner if I'm staying somewhere with a kitchen. Other times, I watch a relaxing movie or read a book. I like quiet evenings.
It's interesting how different our routines are. I'm more social, you're more calm and reflective.
Yes, and both routines are good. Holidays are about relaxing and doing what you enjoy.
Now let's talk about some useful English phrases you can use to describe your holiday routine. Repeat after us. I usually wake up at. I like to visit. In the afternoon, I. My favorite thing to do is. In the evening, I always.
Try repeating these phrases. Say them slowly and think about your own holiday.
Let's practice a dialogue. Listen and repeat. What do you usually do in the morning on holiday?
I wake up early and go to a cafe. What about you?
I sleep in and eat breakfast at home.
Nice. And in the afternoon?
I take a walk and take photos. And you?
I visit museums or markets.
And in the evening?
I watch a movie or read a book.
I meet my friends for dinner.
We have different routines.
Yes, but both are relaxing.
Now it's your turn. Think about your holiday routine. Say out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? How do you spend your evening? What is your favorite holiday activity?
We can also talk about special holiday activities. For example, some people go hiking, swimming, or camping. Others like shopping, visiting museums, or taking a cooking class.
Yes, and some people like quiet holidays at home. They read, watch movies, or take long naps. There is no right or wrong routine. It's all about what makes you happy.
Let's do another practice dialogue. Listen. Are you usually travel on holiday?
Sometimes I travel, but I also enjoy staying at home.
Where do you like to travel?
I like cities with museums and art. What about you?
I like the beach and nature.
That's interesting. We like different things.
Yes, but we both enjoy our holidays.
Now let's add more details. On holiday, you can also talk about food. For example, I usually eat breakfast at 9 a.m. I like eggs and toast. For lunch, I try local food.
And don't forget drinks. Coffee, tea, juice, or maybe a soft drink. Talking about meals is a fun way to describe your routine.
We can also describe feelings. For example, I feel happy when I swim in the morning. Or, I feel relaxed when I visit a museum.
Exactly. Talking about feelings makes your sentences more interesting. Try repeating these sentences with your own feelings. Now, let's do a long dialogue example for the whole day.
What do you do first on holiday?
I wake up at 7 a.m. and drink coffee.
I sleep until 10 a.m. Then I eat breakfast.
After that, I visit a museum or walk in the park.
I go to the beach and swim.
And in the afternoon,
I take a walk, take photos, and sometimes buy souvenirs.
I visit a local market or a gallery.
At night, I meet friends for dinner.
I cook dinner or watch a movie.
What is your favorite holiday activity?
Visiting new places and learning new things.
I love swimming and being with friends.
Now, it's your turn. Think about your holiday and describe your whole day in English. Say it slowly.
Remember to use phrases like I usually, I like to, in the afternoon, my favorite thing to do is.
Thank you for practicing with us today. The more you speak, the better your English will get.
Yes, keep practicing and try to describe your holiday routine every day.
See you next time for another English podcast episode.
Bye.